Welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This was the SUNJOE Turbine jet leaf blower kit with the lithium ion plus cordless with a rechargeable battery. So this one is refurbished. So last time I did the unboxing and then it was broken during the shipping. So this time the seller sent me another one to replace it. So I get to keep the old one. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So this one was like a less than $40 with the battery and everything and free shipping and tax. So that's an awesome deal. I think originally the first one that I bought was like $44.99 plus tax, but free shipping. And during the July they have eBay. They give us like a 20% off coupon. So I got a good deal on this. So I purchased 2 more just for backup. So this is a user manual. So this is the brand new lithium ion battery and then a charging adapter. They didn't send me the tube. What the? What am I talking about? The tubes right here. My bad. So this one might be a used one or something. Normally there's a sticker right here. But the battery is fully charged, so it's supposed to attach this. So I'm not gonna do that right now, since I did the previous. So I'm just gonna make sure it fit in correctly. Just snap it on. Gonna turn it on, make sure it's not broken. Last time the motor was broken. So yeah, this is very powerful. 100 miles per hour. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. That I got another one to replace it, and hopefully this thing's gonna last for a while, so if you don't drop it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.